Hi Eric, I'm going to quickly show you how to look at that roster. It would have been a little too complicated to explain over email. So once you're on the Vision Resource Center, on the ILT tab, I'm going to click Manage Events and Sessions. Then I'll select LACCD by clicking on that plus sign and clicking Search. And then you said you wanted to search for Anthony's Online Teaching and Learning. So that's here, and I'm going to click on this little calendar icon. Then you'll click this very tiny arrow, and that'll bring up this window. I'll look for Cuomo. Select his name, click search, and it'll bring up his class. So from here, you'll click on this people icon to view the roster. And here, you'll see the complete roster along with the emails of everyone who's registered. All right, hope that helps.